Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Monday, April 22nd, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today. A candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. Previous day's trading we had a change of trend to the upside, a fairly large white body candle that tested to the important 1555 level of resistance. That candle also found support at the very important level down around 1540. It has been a minor level, and in the recent past it has held on 4 occasions, and it is providing very, very strong support to this market. The important 1555 level for today's trading had potential to be a very strong barrier to this market, but the buyers have come back quite strongly into this market, taking that level out in a fairly bullish manner. We have a white body candle, so the buyers have made net bullish progress, but they have lost some momentum in net terms when we compare it to the size of the body of the previous day's trading. Now there's a reason why, and we can see the shadow on the top of this candle highlighting some downside price rejection, the buyers losing some commitment, and that happened when the market interacted with the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, and those two indicators provide very, very strong support and resistance, and here we're seeing price rejection from there. So moving forward for tomorrow, if this trend is going to continue, the buyers will be strong enough to take out that area of resistance at 1566. Now, in terms of where the market's closed within the range, we have the buyers in control of this market once again. Previous days trading, they had very strong control, and today they've maintained control. They have lost some commitment, as evidenced by the small shadow on the top, but certainly not enough to make us worry about a potential change of trend. And if we do see any selling coming in, 1555 is now likely to hold as an area of support, and we have support extending in a zone down to around the 1550 level, and then certainly down to this 1540 area. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, we're examining the relationship of this new first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market was trending up. And here today we saw the market trade through the 38.2% area in a very bullish manner, but trade just to the 50% level and be rejected from there. Now that does suggest there is a possibility of a change of trend, but when we look at the short-term dynamics, this small loss of commitment is not really telling us much. We still do have the buyers in control and fairly strongly committed. They've made net bullish progress, so a slight chance of a change of trend, but not likely. Having said that, however, with the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen trading just above that 50% level, it will be a very, very strong barrier to this market moving forward. So we do need to watch that area very, very careful tomorrow morning when the market starts trading. So bullish activity up above this 1566 level suggests that the market will trade to around the 1571 level, the 61.8% level based on this technique, and that coincides with this swing high roughly. So a very, very important level of resistance up above the 1564 level, extending up to around this 1571 area. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci retracement of the prior downtrend, and today with this technique we saw the market take out the 38.2% in a bullish manner, but is interacting and will interact with the 50% level at 1566 and coinciding exactly with the area that the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen are trading in, so that will be very, very strong resistance for this market. So what we want to do is watch how the market behaves around this area. If we see strong early bullish activity up above there, a good likelihood of the market testing up to the 61.8%, which once again coincides with this swing high, so very strong resistance around this 1573, 1574 level, but the 50% level at 1566 will be a very important barrier to this market. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, obviously maintaining a bullish bias in the long-term time frame by trading up above the cloud. The market was trading a fair way up above the cloud and looking a little overextended. When we were testing up to around the 1600 level, we have seen the market retrace back towards the cloud and find equilibrium around here, and now bouncing off in line with that higher time frame long-term uptrend. The market is trading just below the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, so technically bearish in the medium and fast term time frames, and very important next couple of days trading. Will the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen act as a barrier to this market? Today we saw the market tested there and be rejected from there, failing to close up above there, so very important trading activity coming up. If we do see a bullish breakout up above, that will be, and the bullish close up above that will be an Ichimoku signal by breaking out up above the Kumo, and it does suggest that this market may be destined for higher levels, but we do want to see that bullish close up above. A barrier above there is the 1576 level, and then if the market can clear that area, we could easily see this market testing back up to the round number resistance around 1600 over the next week or so. But at the moment we're getting some mixed signals. Even the Chica span here is trading within the price action, so quite some indecision in this market. So long-term time frame is still up, but short-term technically just down, but we're trading very close to those signals. We do need to wait and see how this market plays out. We're looking for a breakout up above this area around the 1566 level, or potentially a test down below 1559 for the market to potentially trade down to 1540, and we should see very, very strong support down around that level.